Good evening, guys. Today's session is all about the final year's final presentation. So you guys are waiting for your presentation, right? So once the COVID-19 crisis is over, you'll be back to the pavilion. And now you've got sufficient time for your preparation. So just focus to it. And this session will definitely give you some important hint for the preparation. And it is PowerPoint presentation, PPT. So PPT means the slide should consist only of points and not paragraphs. Paragraphs will definitely irritate the panel members. So never opt the paragraphs. Go for points. And 8 lines per slide is recommendable. So like you see a complete slide with 8 lines. So which means you think about the font size. The font size should not be 12, which means the entire content will be occupied in the middle of the slide, leaving the other place empty. It should not be the case. The 8 lines should occupy the entire slides, which means the font size should be more. So keep that in mind while preparing the slide. And another important thing is no cut copy paste. Never opt cut copy paste. The panel members will definitely think that you have taken this preparation or presentation in a more lethargic way, because it's your final year presentation. You should be more conscious and while working towards the presentation. And when you're going for cut copy paste, it shows that you're not more serious about it. So definitely don't go for cut copy paste. You guys are new for the presentation, whereas the panel members are not so. They are experienced, so they can easily judge whether it's your own content, whether you typed it or you have just copy paste. So be aware while you are doing this. And the background of the slides should be more relevant to the title you have chosen. It should not the background which you are more willing to do. No. Background is not related to your interest. It is just related to the title of the project. If you are not satisfying with any of the backgrounds, better go for plain with 4-side black margin. That will do. And as far as the color of the font, don't go for light colors. The background should be watermark, dull shaded, whereas the font, the details you are showing should be bold and dark. So always keep this in mind while you are setting the backgrounds. And the next thing is like how you are arranging the slides. The first slides should hold the title of the project, the names of the team members with the supervisor name. That's all, nothing more than that. And the second slide is about the abstract. Third slide, literature survey with the introduction. And the next part, it should gives the like why you have chosen that project, why you opt that title. It should be in that sense. And the next one is methodology. It may be either experimental or computational or numerical or combination of any of these. The methodology should be more clear. The next one is the analysis. The next one will be the resultant discussion. The final thing is the conclusion. A maximum of 25 to 30 slides is sufficient. Don't go for more number of slides. And the panel members will get bored while seeing so many slides. Just rely on a single person. Everyone you guys contribute. You've got time. Why not now? So keeping all this in mind, prepare the presentation. And in my next slide or in my next session, we'll see about how to present in front of the panel members. How to satisfy them. So we'll see that in the next session.